Good evening, sir. My name is Simran Shrestha. So today I'll be presenting on reverse logistic strategies of Amazon. So in this presentation, I'll discuss the concept of reverse logistic, and I'll be explaining how Amazon manages the product return, the type of data it collects for the processing, and how this data is used to improve the products and reduce the return rates. So I will also explain how Amazon system creates value not only for the company but also for the customers as well as the manufacturers. So, to begin with, reverse logistic refers to the process of moving goods from customer back to the seller or manufacturer. So, unlike traditional logistic, which focuses on delivering products to customers, reverse logistic actually focuses on handling returns efficiently and recovering value from them. So, it includes several key activities such as return management, recycling, refurbishing the items for resale, and proper disposal of unusual products. So, according to the article, reverse logistics is not just about managing returns, but it is also about turning the returns into opportunity for value recovery and improvement. So, in the context of e-commerce, reverse logistic is extremely important as it enhances the customer satisfaction by providing flexible return policies, which increases trust and encourages the repeat purchase. So at the same time, it also supports sustainability by reducing waste through reuse, recycling, or donation as well. So Amazon is one of the best example for this as it has developed as highly advanced data-driven reverse logistics system that allows uh, to efficiently manage millions of returns without while continuously improving the product's quality as well. So one of the most important aspects of Amazon's reverse logistics strategy is its strong focus on data collection. So, Amazon collects multiple types of data throughout the return process. So, first, when the customer initiate a return, they are required to select a reason. So, the reasons include options such as defective products, incorrect items, not as described, or wrong size. So, this helps the Amazon understand the customer's perspective. So second, Amazon collects details inspection data at its return centers. So this includes evaluating the condition of the products, its packaging to determine whether the issue occurred during manufacturing, uses, or shipping, etc. So third, customer feedback and written comments are analyzed. So these comments often provide deeper insight into specific issues such as like sizing inconsistency, poor quality material, or misleading product descriptions, etc. So additionally, Amazon also tracks quantitative metrics such as return rates for each products or the product category and the time taken for the products to be returned after the purchase. So by combining all of this data, Amazon performs pattern analysis to identify recurring issues and trends, which allows the company to make data-driven decisions and improve both operational efficiency as well as the product quality. So moving on to next slide, handling returns. So after the products are returned, Amazon follows a highly structured and efficient handling process. So the first step is inspection and grading. So each returned item is carefully inspected and examined to assess its condition and determine its resale potential. So based on this evaluation, products are sorted into different categories. Items that are in pristine condition and unused can be resold as new. Products that are slightly used or have open packaging are sold through Amazon's resale or used as open box items. Some items are sent for liquidation where they are sold in bulk to the third party resellers. In certain cases, products are also returned to original manufacturer through what is known as return to vendor. So Amazon also incorporates sustainability into this process. Functional but unsellable items may be donated to non-profit organizations, while damaged products are recycled whenever or however possible. So this structured system overall ensures that Amazon recovers the maximum value of returned items while minimizing the environmental impact and operational efficiency. So moving on to next slide, data integration. So what makes Amazon's reverse logistics system truly powerful is how it uses the collected data to drive the overall product improvement. So Amazon shares this data with the sellers and manufacturers through multiple tools and platforms. So one important feature is frequently returned batch. So this label appears on the product with high return rates, alerting the both customers and sellers to the about the potential issues that may occur in future. So Amazon also provides voice of the customer dashboards to sellers. So these dashboards aggregate customers' feedback and highlight the most common complaints such as sizing problems, product defects, or functionality issues. So in addition, like detailed return reason reports also is shared with manufacturers. So these reports uh, break down the exact cause of the returns, allowing both manufacturers and sellers to identify the specific design flaws, quality issues, or mismatch between product description and actual product performance. So this creates a continuous feedback loop where manufacturers can improve product design, packaging, and listing accuracy. So as a result, future returns can be reduced and overall product quality can be enhanced. So moving on to next slide, impact of data-driven reverse logistics. So Amazon's data-driven approach to reverse logistics has significant impact across the entire supply chain. So first, it helps reduce overall return rates by identifying recurring issues and addressing them at a source. So second, it improves product quality because manufacturer receives real world customer feedback and they are able to make targeted improvements. Third, it increases the accountability among the sellers and manufacturers as they are directly informed about product performance and customer dissatisfaction. So from an environmental perspective also, this system reduces waste by ensuring that return products are reused, refurbished, donated, or recycled instead of simply discarded. So from business perspective also, it improves profitability by recovering value from the returned items and by reducing the operational cost and also enabling better inventory management. So overall, reverse logistic becomes not just a cost center but a strategic advantage for Amazon. So moving on to the last slide. So in conclusion, reverse logistics plays a critical role in modern e-commerce, especially for the large platforms like Amazon. So Amazon has successfully transformed the challenges of product return into an opportunity for data-driven improvement. So by collecting and analyzing return data, Amazon enhances customer satisfaction, improves product quality, and reduces environmental impact. So most importantly, it also creates a closed-loop system where customer experience directly influence future product design and manufacturing. So this reflects the concept of circular economy where value is continuously created from returned products. So yeah, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you.